We're in Chalfont today looking at a paver patio repair job that we just completed. Major issues on the job were the steps. They weren't constructed properly originally. They didn't put the adequate amount of block in the ground, so there was no stability to the steps. For instance, this step right here, you see the second course of block that we installed below grade in order to provide stability for that top block. We reinstalled the bullnose, or actually all new bullnose, and now we've got two courses of block. The bottom course of block is secured by stone on either side of it to keep it from rolling. Before we got here, these steps were rolled out. People were stepping on them and the whole step was moving and rolling out, which really is a considerable safety issue. This step was in decent shape because it's sandwiched between the patio. Bullnose was replaced. We replaced all the bullnose due to the fact that we had to take all the old bullnose off, and inevitably some of them were going to break, and the client was concerned about continuity and color throughout, so we just replaced all of them. For this set of steps out of the house, there's a landing and 3 steps down to the patio with the lights in it. We basically disassembled the whole thing, and what was done to construct it originally was one course of block, the bottom course of block was set and filled with stone behind it. The second course of block sat on top of the stone, filled behind it. Third course of block sat on the stone, filled behind it. Every time somebody stepped on the edge of one of these steps, the blocks rolled. And it really, again, created a substantial safety hazard for people coming in and out of the house. So the last thing we did to give it kind of the complete refreshed look was to power wash and install new poly sand in the joints. And that wraps up the project.